Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore lead scraping compliance using Apify SERP data. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of compliance in lead scraping. Compliance ensures that your data collection methods align with legal standards and ethical practices. Familiarize yourself with the regulations relevant to lead scraping in your jurisdiction. Research the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, if you're operating in Europe. In the United States, be aware of the CAN-SPAM Act and other relevant privacy laws. Next, gather your existing scraping methods and analyze your current practices for any potential violations. Identify which data sources you are using and evaluate their terms of service. Now, transition to using Apify's SERP data. Create an Apify account if you haven't done so. Once logged in, explore the Apify marketplace for suitable scraping tools. Select a scraper designed for search engine results pages. Configure the scraper according to your specific data needs while ensuring it complies with regulations. Set parameters to limit data collection to only what is necessary for your lead generation. Test the scraper on a small scale to assess its performance and compliance. Review the output to ensure it's gathered ethically and aligns with your compliance checklist. Next, implement a data storage solution that secures the information you collect. Ensure that your storage methods comply with data protection laws. Regularly audit your data handling processes to maintain compliance over time. Educate your team about lead scraping compliance and the importance of ethical data practices. Stay updated on changes in laws and regulations that may affect your scraping activities. Document your compliance efforts to demonstrate commitment to ethical practices. Finally, establish a feedback mechanism to continuously improve your lead scraping processes. Following these steps will help restore lead scraping compliance using Apify SERP data effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.